Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine and so do I. Guys, before we start the lessons, as usually we must pray together. Pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Allahumma amin. According to the syllabus, today we will discuss and learn about the acid-base balance. Acid-base balance is very important for human body because pH balance, also referred to as its acid-base balance, is the level of acids and bases in your blood at which your body functions best. The human body is built to naturally maintain a healthy balance of acidity and alkalinity. So, the lungs and kidney play a key role in this process. To make our understanding for this topic more clearly, let's start the lesson today. For introduction, acid-base balance is a physiological and biochemical mechanism associated to body or blood pH. pH is a hydrogen ion concentration means mean logarithm ion hydrogen. Different compartment of human body actually has specific pH, and the pH has a role in enzyme activity. So, do you know why blood pH is altered? Okay, the reason is addition of various acids or alkalis by metabolic activity can alter body or blood pH. Sources and type of acids and alkalis added during metabolic life processes. Guys, acids are hydrogens ions donors. The opposites with that, base are hydrogen ions acceptors or give up a hydroxide ion in solution. Acid and base can be strong or weak. A strong acid or base is one that dissociates completely in a solution. For the example, like hydrochloride, natrium hydroxide, and hydrogen sulfate. And then a weak acid or base is one that dissociates partially in a solution. For the example, hydrocarbonate, dihydroacetate, and formaldehyde, and also lactate. You can see at the picture in right side. Actually, in our body have three type of acids. There are volatile acids, fixed acids, and organic acids. Volatile acids means can leave solution and enter the atmosphere. For the example is carbonic acids. Fixed acid is acid that do not leave solution. For the example, sulfuric and phosphoric acids. And the last is organic acids. The organic acid is participants in or byproduct of aerobic metabolism. This is the examples for the acid in our human body, but I will call you about the volatile versus non-volatile acids. We know about the difference between volatile and non-volatile acids. Volatile acids, for the definition, same with I tell you before, volatile acids are chemical compounds that undergo vaporization rapidly. So the volatile acids very easily vaporize, and they have high vapor pressure at normal room temperature. And then the volatile acids form inside our body from carbon dioxide. The excretion of volatile acid in human body via lungs. Opposite with that, we know about the non-volatile acid. Non-volatile acids are chemical compounds that cannot undergo vaporization rapidly, so the vaporization do not easily vaporize. And then the non-volatile acid have low vapor pressure at normal room temperature. The biological production for non-volatile acids forms inside your bodies from carbohydrates, fats, and lipids. And the excretion for non-volatile acids via kidney or the other organs than lungs. Guys, the important thing that you must remember, the body produces more acids than base. Acid-base balance is homeostatic mechanism that regulates blood or body pH. Acid-base balance is a homeostatic mechanism that carried out to regulate the altered pH of blood and other body compartment to its normal constant range. Maintenance of acid-base balance is a prime requisite to maintain normal, healthy, and active life. The acid-base balance means the regulation of hydrogen ions, and you must remember the more hydrogen ions, the more acidic the solution, and the lower the pH. The acidity or alkalinity of solution is measured as pH. The pH of the blood and other body compartment is precisely regulated. pH is always tried to be maintained in its normal constant range. Acid-base balance maintains blood pH in a narrow constant range of normal 7.35 until 7.45. The pH of the medium directly affects the enzyme activity. So, optimal pH is an essential condition for normal enzyme activity and metabolism. It's very important. Then, these are prerequisites for regulating blood or body pH. For the example, to maintain normal or optimal enzyme activity, and to make a normal metabolism, normal coordination, and normal health. We have three organs which regulate acid-base balance. There are blood, lungs, and kidney. First line of defense for regulate acid-base balance, is blood buffer system. Second line is respiratory mechanism, and the third line is renal mechanism. The important things you must remember about the chemical buffers or blood buffer system: the chemical buffer will react very rapidly, less than a second. But respiratory regulation reacts rapidly, but approximately seconds until minutes. And the last, renal regulation, is very slowly to react, approximately minutes until hours. Blood buffer system is the first line of defense in mechanism of acid-base balance by aid or neutralized by the salt part of buffer. Blood buffer system have two kinds buffers, like extracellular buffers and intracellular buffers. You can see at the yellow box and blue box to understanding the extracellular buffer and intracellular buffers. Mechanism action of buffer system. Buffer mixture of weak acids and its salt. Resist change in pH of blood when small amount of acids or alkalis add to the medium. But you must know the key word on the mechanism action of buffer system is the buffer only act quickly but non-permanently. The respiratory system maintains the pH of the blood by the bicarbonate buffer system. The bicarbonate buffer system exists in the blood as an acid-base homeostatic mechanism involving the balance of carbonic acid, bicarbonate ion, and carbon dioxide to maintain pH in the blood. Bicarbonate buffering system is important in the body because it manages the acid and base imbalance produced by both normal and abnormal physiology. Assists in the handling of carbon dioxide, the waste product of cellular respiration. The action of bicarbonates converts strong dissociable acid into weak non-dissociable acid, hydrocarbonate, and a neutral salt without altering the pH. Weak acid hydrocarbonate formed during buffering action of bicarbonate buffer is then expired out by lungs. Thus, bicarbonate buffer is connected to the respiratory system. The important things, bicarbonate buffer is also termed as respiratory buffer. Remember, the blood buffers are effective as long as, for the first, the acid load is not very high and the alkali reserve or bicarbonate is not exhausted. After we talk about the bicarbonate buffer system, now we must talk about the phosphate buffer system. Phosphate buffer system operates in the internal fluids of all cells. The important things you must know, these acid phosphates then excrete out through kidney as acidic urine. So, phosphate buffer is connected to excretory system. It means phosphate buffer also termed as urine buffer. So, the conclusion is bicarbonate buffer is a respiratory buffer and the phosphate buffer is a urine buffer. Now we talk about the role of respiratory mechanism. Respiratory system plays second line of defense mechanism of acid-base balance. Before that, we must remember is the first line is a blood buffer. Okay, role of respiration in acid-base balance is short-term regulatory process. Hydrocarbonate from bicarbonate buffer is exhaled out through respiratory system. Increased hydrocarbonate can stimulate the respiratory center in medulla oblongata. This in turn stimulates hyperventilation, which promptly removes hydrocarbonate from blood by expiration. Respiratory mechanism is powerful, but only works with volatile acid, not work on the non-volatile acids. Blood pH can be adjusted through a respiratory mechanism by changing rate and depth of breathing. Low hydrocarbonate concentration in blood depress respiratory center, and the condition can cause hypoventilation, like a slow and shallow respiration or breathing. And the condition may retain hydrocarbonate in blood. If nervous center or respiratory system fails, it can make acid-base balance fails. Different with the respiratory mechanism, renal mechanism is the third line of defense mechanism. Role of renal mechanism is long-term regulatory processes. The response need minutes until hours period to respond the condition in our body. Diacid and alkaline phosphates formed during phosphates buffering mechanism are filtered from blood and excreted out through urine. Thus, the phosphate buffer system is directly connected to the renal mechanism. Renal mechanism is the most effective regulator of blood pH, but the renal mechanism needs a long response. On this theory, renal system maintains acid-base balance through reabsorption of bicarbonate ions and then excretion of hydrogen ions and then excretion of acid phosphatase and the last excretion of aminium ions. This slide available a summary of the theory about the balancing base acid in our body. Buffers function almost instantaneously because it's very rapidly respond, and the respiratory mechanism takes several minutes until hour, but renal mechanism might take several hours until days. Now you can look at the picture in the right side. Chemical buffer system on the blood is the first line of defense against pH shift, and the chemical buffer system consists of three types, like a bicarbonate buffer system, or means a respiratory buffer system, and then phosphate buffer system, or means a urinary buffer system, and the third is protein buffer system. And the second line of defense against pH shift is physiological buffers. Physiological buffers consist two organs like a respiratory mechanism. This is a lungs role means carbon dioxide excretion, and the renal mechanism or kidney mechanism means hydrogen excretion from urine. Okay, look at the picture. This picture is explain us to how do the lungs and kidney regulates acid-base balance. The pulmonary system adjusts pH using carbon dioxide. Upon expiration, carbon dioxide is projected into the environment to the carbon dioxide forming carbonic acid in the body. When combining with the water, the amount of carbon dioxide expired can cause pH to increase or decrease. Respiratory and renal mechanisms support the buffer system by secreting or absorbing hydrogen ions, by controlling the excretion of acid and bases, and by generating additional buffers. Mechanism for regulating of acid-base balance by buffer system is temporary resolution, and the respiratory mechanism provides short-time regulation, and the renal mechanism is a permanent solution. Urine pH is less than plasma pH. Is it 4.5 until 9.5? And then the eliminates non-volatile acid buffered by cation, principally natrium ions, and also maintain alkali reserve. You can see at the picture in the right side, in the circulation, erythrocytes have a main role to maintain a buffer in blood. If the pH less than before, it can stimulate the lungs, involve a respiratory center in brainstem, and then it can stimulate it to increase respiration rate and tip its function to increase carbon dioxide given off. And then if on the kidney, if the pH less than before, it can stimulate the kidney to increase rate of ion hydrogen secretion.